Good morning, 6th class. We are starting exercise 6.3. First question is find. A part is this. So first of all, open the bracket. 35 minus 20. It is simple. We will subtract it. 15 will come and big number is 35. Sign of big number is plus, so it will be positive integer. Now C part. Open the bracket first of all. Minus minus plus. If there is no integer between 2 minus, then you have to write here plus sign. Minus minus plus. Then 18 will come. Now minus plus minus. So subtracted, it will be 3 and big number is 18. So sign is plus. So it is positive integer. Again open the bracket. Now again minus minus plus. But we will note, if you will write like this is wrong. Okay, you will not write this. Why? Because there is integer between 2 minus. When there is no integer between 2 minus, then you have to write the sign of plus. But if there is integer between 2 signs, then minus minus plus. Only add it. Write the sum. Sum will be 33. And 2 minus are there. So in answer, minus will come. E part is, open the bracket. Now there is no integer between 2 minus, so minus minus plus and add it. 35 is answer. Second question is fill ups with these signs greater, smaller or equal. In this question, you have to, there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. First of all, solve left hand side, then right hand side, then we will compare integers which is greater. First of all, solve this side, open the bracket, plus minus minus, oh, now minus minus plus, 9 will come and 2 minus is there, so minus sign will come. Now solve this side, open the bracket, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, subtracted, and so big number is 6, the sign is plus, so positive integer. Now which is big, minus sign or minus 3? Of course positive integer will be greater than negative integer. Next B part is, again we will do like this only. Solve the brackets, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, subtracted, and 21 is big. What is the sign of big number? Minus. So in answer, in integer minus will come. Again here open the bracket, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, and 2 minus are there, so minus will come here. Now in both are negative integers, and in negative integers big is small and small is big. It means this is big number. It is greater than, left hand side is greater than right hand side. Next question, again open the bracket, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, add it, it will be 56 and it will be 53. Both are positive and 56 is greater than 53. Next D part, open the bracket, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now what we will do, subtract it. It will be 17 and 42 is big, plus number will come here. Minus plus minus, subtracted, 17 will come, and 42 is big, sign of big number is minus. Now positive number will be greater than negative integer. Third question is fill ups. Now in this question, solution is given, answer is given. You have to find the one integer from the question. Now how we will do this type of question? For these questions, what we will do, we will assume that, हम मान लेते हैं that, assume that this integer is x. You can take any alphabet number. We will assume that this integer is x. Now we have to find the value of x. So what we will do, we will solve this. Open the bracket, minus 8 plus x is equal to 0. Now remember one thing, I am telling you, if minus number will go there, that side of equal, then it will be plus. If plus number will go there, it will be minus. If multiply number will go there, it will be divide, and divide number will go there, that side, then it will be multiply. Now here we have to find the value of x, so 8 will go there, that side of equal. So because we can't solve these two numbers because we don't have value of x. Okay, so 8 will go there. Now here it is here 8 is of minus. When it will go there, minus will change into plus. So first of all, write here in left hand side, what is left here? It is going there, so what is left here? Only x is left here, equal 0. Now this 8 is going there, this is minus, when it will go there it will be plus, and add it, 0 plus 8, 8. It means here 8 will come. Here is sign of plus with x, so it will be plus. Okay, now x, value of x is 8, means the answer is 8. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, put this value here. Okay, minus 8 plus 8, it will be 0. Now in B part again, you have to find the value of this integer. Let's assume it is x. Solve it. 13 plus x is equal to 0. You have to find the value of x. So 13 will go there. 13 is here of plus. When plus number will go there, it will be minus. X will be left here. 0 is there. And when 13 will go there, it will be of minus. Now 0 minus 13, what will come? Minus 13 will come. Okay, so answer is minus 13. Now next E part is, again let's assume it is x. Solve it. X minus 15 is equal to minus 10. You have to find the value of x. 15 will go there. Here is 15 of minus. When it will go there, it will be of plus. Solve it. Minus plus minus. So subtract it. 5 will come. And this is big, plus sign will come. So answer is 5. You have to solve like this. Next, fourth question is find. Again we will open the bracket. Minus 7, minus 8, minus minus plus. Now we will solve first two numbers, minus minus plus. So add it, and two minus are there, so minus will come here, plus 25. Minus plus minus, it will be 10, and big number is 25, that is positive integer, so answer will also positive answer, positive value. Now next is, again open the bracket. Solve first two numbers, minus plus minus, so subtract it, it will be 19. Which is big? 32 is big, and sign is of plus. Now write down these numbers. 19 minus 8, 11, minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10. This is homework. Question 1 B and F part, question 3 C and D, question 4 C and D of exercise 6.3 do in Maths Fair Notebook.